I'm gonna go over this. This is page. This is page 43 and 42. Most people we finished through 41 yesterday. So, all right. So, your friend uses equation C equals 50 times P to find the total cost C for the number of people P entering your local amusement park. Blah blah blah. Create a table and record the cost of entering the amusement park for several different size groups of people. Well, okay. So let's see if this works. This should work. Oh, it works. Probably make the table bigger. Alright, so just so you know, right, C is the outcome. So C goes here, it's like the Y. And then P, that's the input. So it goes here, it's like the X. Just so you know. Okay. And it just says several, so that means like 3. Oops. We can go 4. Oh. Alright, so once we use the pen apparently. Alright, so basically you always start with 0, 0, just because it's an easy one. And then let's just put in 1 for easy. And then how you do this, you just take this 1 and you put it in this P. So you just say what's 1 times 50, and that would be 50. Okay. Same thing, let's just use 2. 2 times 50, 100. If this is too fast, pause it, all that. Use a calculator. Just get used to how to do it. Don't worry about anything else right now. And then for funsies, we can say like, what about 10? Or I don't see any numbers here. Let's go down and see if they want us to use a certain number. Aha, look. Would the point 5 to 50 be on the graph? So since we see that, let's just go up and use 5. Answer like 2 questions with one question, right? Or I guess these would be 2 questions. So what is 5 times 250? Well, just put a 50 out there times 5. 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 5, 250. So when we get to that one, we already know the answer. Alright. 1 second. So, is the cost of admission proportional to the amount of people entering the amusement park? Well, yeah. I mean, first, okay. First, we got 0, 0, so we know it's proportional. And then, every time, we came up with these numbers based off a proportional formula. So, I mean, that would probably be a cheating answer, but we'll just say yes. You know. The K, right? The K, or constant of proportionality, is 50. And then I just would maybe put some dots here for spacer and basically just say to whoever is grading this is that, yeah, we base off a formula. The table is constructed or built or made, whatever word you want to use, from a formula. That's a U for all of you that get mad at me for bad handwriting. Alright, so see, it says what is the unit rate and what does it represent in the context of the situation? Well, we know. See, this is just checking to see if we are paying attention, because the constant of proportionality, this 50 and this unit rate, it's all the same. So 50, you know, like comma. And what does it represent? Well, what does it represent here? C is for number of people. P is the C is the cost. P is the number of people. So it just says it represents the cost per person. It represents the cost per person. so now let's see if we can fit this here. It's perfect almost. Well, all right, so we gotta remember that. We gotta remember that this is P and this is C. So let's just go up here and drag it a little bit. Right there. Okay, so just put your points on here. So, oh, that's a little too much. Huh? All right, so we're gonna go. This will be 0, 0. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna have to go like. Let's see, 2s will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So now we gotta go like 5s. So, oh Lord, this would be. Alright, so we got 5, 10. It's really hard to see, sorry. 15. Let's see, 20, 50, 0, 5 halves. Okay, we got it. We'll just do this. I'm not gonna worry too much. I'm just gonna come out to this and go 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4 is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. And then that would be 50. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. My bad. Let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, oops. Let's go. All right, so 0, 0. 0, 0, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So okay, we can go like 50, 100. 150, 200, 250, and then I'll just be like 6. Oh, Lord. And then 300, and then, alright, so 150, that was the point, right? 2, 100, 3, 150, 4, 200, and that's not going to include the 5, but if you wanted to, I used to do this, and someone would just be like, just write 5 here, and then go to 250, and then just like connect it anyway. Either or. Alright, E, what points must be on the graph of the line if the two quantities represented are proportional to each other? Now we've talked about this, E. What points must be on the graph of the line if the two quantities represented are proportional to each other? Explain why and describe these points. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Basically, let's just answer the question. What point must be on the line? It says points, but how about this? We know that 0, 0 must be on the line. And I suppose we could include any of these, any point. I would just go 150 and then say this. If 0 people attend, that would result in $0 made. Maybe period or the famous ... All the very disorganized by me. So I would put like this, and then if 1 arrow $50. Just try not to write as much and use like symbols and stuff. Math teachers should understand symbols. They're smart people. All right, would the point 550 be on the graph? What does this point represent? So we already answered this because we are slick. Yes. What does it represent? And it's just like this question, right? So it represents 5 people paying $250. Alright. That'll be like a review slash guided practice for today. And then for everybody that's at home getting better from getting sick, you guys have the lesson right there for you too. And I'll try to make sure I do this for continuing. I just had to I'm still trying to get comfortable at school, I guess is the word. See you soon.